Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to get the color index number in Excel. Here I've applied different colors to some cells, and now we will find their color index values. Step 1, enable Developer tab. First, go to the top menu. If you don't see the Developer tab, right-click anywhere on the ribbon, click Customize the ribbon. On the right side, tick Developer, click OK. Now the Developer tab will appear. Step 2, add VBA code. Click on the Developer tab, then click on Visual Basic. In the VBA window, click on Insert, select Module. Now paste the code. You can copy it from the description or comments. After pasting, close the VBA window. Step 3, use the function order. Now go back to Excel. In a cell, type equals GetColorIndex. Then select the colored cell, for example, A1, close the bracket and press Enter. Excel will return the color index number for that cell. Step 4, apply to other cells. To get color index values for other cells, go to the bottom right corner of the cell. A plus sign will appear. Click and drag down to copy the function. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.